Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see PhD and PDF notification. Coming to eligibility criteria, ME MTech for PhD, PhD for PDF notification. They are providing for duration in this degree fellowship 35,000 to 55,000 per month including HRA. Present content of this video. Proposal are invited for Sir National Post Doctorate Fellowship PDF. Eligibility, the applicant should be Indian citizen. The applicant must have obtained PhD, MD, MS degree from a recognized university. Those who are submitted their PhD, MD, MS that candidate eligible for this notification. Upper age limit of fellowship is 35 years at the time of submission of application. Age will be calculated by taking date of closure the respective calls. Coming to fellowship, 55,000 per month consolidated, 35,000 per month candidate who have submitted the thesis but degree is not awarded. Those who are awarded degree, that candidate get 55,000. Those who are not awarded degree, that candidate get 35,000 per month. Research grant 2 lakhs per annum. Overhead 1 lakh per annum. Application should be first registered on the online website through this link. Details including project title maximum 500 characters, project summary maximum 3000 characters and keywords maximum 6, objective of project maximum 1500 characters. Work methodology and research plan to be uploaded in single PDF file not more than 3 pages, maximum 10 MB. Required document, biodata, age proof, qualification, category certificate belongs to like caste, undertaking certificate and short CV, plagiarism, undertaking, download template. And coming to next, postdoctoral fellowship PDF in physics at IIT Roorkee. Eligibility, PhD in of physics, electronics and communication engineering, material science and engineering, nanoscience and nanotechnology, electrical engineering and applied mechanics, biotechnology and bioscience oblique biomedical engineering. So duration fellowship is more than 1 year and 7 months, extended to 1 more year depending on behavior and performance and talent if necessary. A consolidated fellowship 55,000 per month for the 2 years, 60,000 per month for the 3rd year. In this degree duration fellowship is 3 years. Application candidate can be with cover letter, resume, list of publication with most significant publication highlighted. And the walk-in interview for the postdoctoral fellowship position will be held online WebEx platform on 25th May 2021 at 3 p.m. Further, for official notification, more details, please go through website postdoctoral fellowship physics at IIT Roorkee. And coming to PhD and integrated PhD admissions 2021 at NIT Nagaland and department civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, science, physics, chemistry and mathematics and humanities. Coming to qualification and PhD degree, master of degree in engineering technology of with bachelor degree in engineering with percentage of 55 marks for SC ST, 65% above for other and OBC. For PhD in Humanities, Master Degree Science and Humanity, ME, MTech, MS Research in Engineering, 5 years integrated course. For integrated PhD, Bachelor Degree Engineering Technology, equivalent discipline of Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, Computer Science Engineering. Scale of 75% marks and valid with good GATE score. Coming to fellowship, only full-time candidates are with GATE score, UGC NET, including lecturership, assistant professorship in order merit will be considered institute scholarship subject to the availability of fund from MHRD. And application candidate need to pay a non-refundable application fee 500. SC ST physical hand candidate are exempted from application fee. Performance will given those candidates who are having valid GATE net score. The last date apply before July 1st 2021, and further full notification details go through website NIT Nagaland PhD and integrated PhD admission 2021 notification. And coming to JRF at IIT Guwahati, number of vacancies 1, and qualification graduate degree in mechanical engineering with valid GATE score and good knowledge production design, circuit design, electronic control and programming. Salary 37,210, duration 11 months. Interested candidate can apply, go through online and fill the application form, and last date before May 24. Shortlisted candidate will be informed via mail and before 28 May 2021, and after that candidate will be attend for interview. For the full notification go through website IIT Guwahati JRF recruitment notification.